All right, before we start discussing this topic, let me just make a side note. Ukuthi, Um, basically, we're going to be talking about a straight line. Ne? So, whatever we discuss with analytical geometry regarding the straight line is also applied or applicable in kuma functions. We have, like high school, we are studying how many or doing functions are like 4. We have the straight line, we have the hyperbola, we have the parabola, we also have the exponential function. Okay, so this discussion it also carries over to any functions. Okay, so thanks for tuning in, guys. In the description box, there's also going to be links for amanye topics esobe siwadiscussile under the analytical geometry discussion. Okay, so grade 11, 12, and 10. Grade 11, 12, and 10. So this discussion it's relevant for everyone. Okay, ngoba analytical geometry, there will be a question where they ask you to find the equation to a straight line or a linear function. Okay, so the equation for a straight line in a generic formula, it's y equal to mx plus bunny plus c. I think you by now you should know that, or if I was, the m stands for gradient, and then the c stands for y-intercept. It stands for the y-intercept. But let me say this. If ever ufuna ukuthola the equation to a straight line, of a straight line, there are 2 requirements. The first requirement ukuthi uthole a gradient. You need the gradient in order to find the equation to a straight line. Number 2, you need 1 point. You need 1 point, right? So gahle lo y equal to mx is just one of 2 equations that you can use to find the equation for a straight line. So this is the first one, y equal to mx plus c. You also have another option. You have another option, option number 2, to get the equation for a straight line. You can use this one, y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. Okay, but you know what, number 1 and number 2, it's one and the same thing. It's just a matter of preference here from la ukuthi usebenzisa the first one to get the equation, or usebenzisa the second one to get the equation. Whether we apply go analytical geometry, the second one, or guma functions to get the equation for a straight line, it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. Okay, so nalana ge, you also need the gradient as well as 1 point to get the equation for a straight line. This is just the theory in any sherayo nan. I'm just laying the foundation. So we're gonna take an example where we're gonna find the equation to a straight line, right? So in this discussion, so seven away 2 lama equations, equation 1 and 2, to get the equation for a straight line, right? So I'm hiding this. Let's say you have this straight line. You're provided with this. So what is it called, the equation for straight line AB? Oops, but you go okay, yeah. All right, so they want us to get the equation for the straight line AB. Find equation of line AB in the form y equal to mx plus c. All right. So I'm gonna use the first equation, y equal to mx plus c, right? So the first thing engizoyenza, of course, is getting the gradient. Ne? I'm gonna say m is equal to gradient AB, is equal to ya minus yb over xa minus xb. This is equal to, where's ya? Ya minus 3 minus, where's yb? 3 over, and then xa negative 7, xb 6 equal to minus 3, that's negative 6 over minus 7, it's, isn't it, is it negative 13? It should be. See check. So the answer should be 6 over 13 is the final answer. So minus 3 over negative 7, yes, it should be 6 over 13. So this is our final answer for the gradient, of course. So now saying no bani, saying no m. Now we have to calculate ubani uc. If basipe this coordinate, which is the y-intercept, if they gave us this point, so vele siyithathe, let's say mhlambe basiphe u0 and I don't know, maybe 1. If this point was 0 and 1, it would mean that i-value ka-c senginayo bengovele ngiyi-substitute. Unfortunately, I don't have the y-intercept in this case. Okay, so I did mention ukuthi in order to get the equation for a straight line udinga gradient sesinayo, udinga na 1 point. That 1 point is to actually help us to calculate the value kabani ka-c. So between b and a, you can choose ukuthi which point am I going to use. It doesn't matter what is to a or b, but the answers at the end should be the same. So the equation here to so far ibukeka like this: 6 over 13x plus c. Shorta ngo c ke manje, right? Shorta ngo c. So I'm just gonna take a b. Lagno y onangu b. This is b, 6 and 3. So lagno y nyofaka 3. 6 over 13. Lagno x ngifaka ubani? 3. I mean 6 plus c. Then 6 times 6 or 36 over 13 plus c. Then c uzoba equal to 3 minus 36 over 13 is equal to, then 3 36 over 13. Answer with 3 over 13. Therefore, the equation should look something like 6 over 1/3, that's m, plus c with 3 over 13, so it's 3 over 13. This is our final answer. So this is the equation for the straight line. So if our full this equation, of course you have the option for the second one. So for the second one, equation number 2, y minus y1 equal to mx minus x1. Alright, so I gradient to see calculate here on the previous calculations. I'll try to go to 6 over 13. Saying no bani, song no m. This equation doesn't have the value c, so our not choice la. Even if you are given the y-intercept, kwamele uthathe that point we substitute. So on the previous calculation I used to b. This time you're saying the a value. So a negative 7 no negative 3. So it's gonna be y minus y1 ubani negative 3, m 6 over 1/3, then go about x minus x1 negative 7. So y negative times negative 3, 6 over 1/3, then go about x plus 7. Okay, then go about y plus 3, 6 over 13x, then 6 times 7, I mean 6 over 13, kahle kahle I should be multiplying those 6 now 7, but the answer here is going to be 42 over 13. Then y about 6 over 1 3, then about plus 42 over 1 3 minus 3. So the answers should be the same as the previous calculation. Minus 3 la, I'm getting with 3 over 1 3. This is the final answer, and it is exactly the same as the previous calculation. So this is how you find the equation for a straight line. Very important, very important. In summary, when finding or calculating equation of a line, you need two things: gradient. Gradient. You also need what? 1 point. 1 point. So this concludes our discussion, Lana, on finding equation of a line. Okay, on finding equation of the line. So if you have any questions or anything to add to the discussion, asikhulume in the comment section. If we enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Yeah, thanks for watching. Ngizobona on the next one. Peace.